How to remove age protected on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can remove age protection on TikTok, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's say you're viewing some of the shows or some of the videos on TikTok and it simply says it's age protected or anything as such. Now there are a couple of ways to get around this, but keep in mind that it's a little bit of a lengthy process, so you want to make sure to stick around till the end of this video. Now first reason why it tells you is because most likely the viewer or the person who posted that specific video has actually limited it to some of the specific people, or else the other reason could be because you are simply underage or your TikTok account is under maybe 18 years old or maybe under 13 or 16 years of age, and for that you would have to change your date of birth. But before we get to that, there's also a specific setting that I would like you to change. For that, you can go ahead and then open up the TikTok app and then come to your profile page. Tap on the three lines from the top right corner and then go to the option called settings and privacy. Over here you want to go to the option called content preferences. As you go to content preferences, here you'll find the option that says restricted mode. Just tap on it. You want to make sure that restricted mode is actually turned off. For example, if you have an underage TikTok account, most likely the restricted mode is going to be set to be on by default. TikTok is going to do that in order to protect yourself from some of the violent content on TikTok itself. So if you turn this feature off, most likely this would help, but if not, then it is because your TikTok account is simply underage and you have to simply wait for a few months or a few years, or else you have to go ahead and change your date of birth in that way. Now, changing the date of birth in TikTok is also not really easy. It's not like Facebook, Snapchat or Instagram that you go into settings and change the date of birth. That's not the case to work around here, because on TikTok, in order to change our date of birth, we have to send a proof to TikTok that we really do want to change with our original ID, a document. Let's say you didn't pay attention to your date of birth when you first signed up for TikTok, but now you're regretting it because, as you can see, there is no option for you. So instead, you can go to the option called report a problem at the bottom. Tap on the edit button on the top right hand side of the screen. Again, tap on the edit button, which means your feedback page. Here you want to let TikTok know you're ready to change the date of birth and for any type of verification process required. Or else, what I'll just recommend you do is, if this TikTok account is not really that important to you, if it's just a new account that you created for a few days, you don't have much videos posted on it, you can just try to create a new account with an updated date of birth, because make sure to pay attention to your date of birth when you're first creating an account. Hopefully this video answered a question and helps you in either way, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.